First of all, what is an estate plan? It's the process of creating the legal documents that you will need in the event of an emergency. The process of estate planning addresses 4 issues. First, what happens if you become disabled? Will your spouse or children have access to your bank accounts? Will they be able to direct withdrawals from your retirement accounts? Will they have access to medical records? Will they be able to give instructions to your doctors or to grant permission for medical procedures? Or will they have to go to probate court and establish a guardianship or a conservatorship in order to have the legal authority to do these issues? Second, if you were to die, what would happen to your minor children? Will they decide, or will the probate court decide, who will raise your children? Third, if you were to die, would there be any estate taxes? Can we avoid them by planning in advance? Finally, if you were to die, what will happen to your assets? All the things you've worked for all your life. Now, in that area, there are 3 sub-issues. First, who will be given your assets and which assets will they be given? Second, who will manage the collection and distribution of the assets? And will they have to go through probate court to do that? Or do you trust them to manage and distribute your assets without court supervision? Third, when will your loved ones be given those assets? If your children are minors, do you really want them to have your entire inheritance when they turn 18? Or do you want someone else to manage that money and use it for their benefit until they're more mature and able to handle it for themselves? Finally, do you want some sort of legacy in your family or in your community? Do you want to leave a part of your assets to benefit your community? We'll talk more about that later.